is going on, true believers? Guys, there is something special in the air. That's altcoin season. It's coming very, very soon. And there's going to be a lot of tokens that are out here that are going to go absolutely nuts. And a lot of them are going to be part of a bigger narrative. Now, I'm going to take you through one of the narratives before I tell you what the project is, but it's only going to take a second. Hit the like button on your way. So this one is SPX6900, currently trading at 1.22 billion market cap. Now, to give you perspective on this, this was your life changer right here. This was trading at a penny in late 2024. Today, trading at $1.31. Just think about that. That's 131x off of your tiny, let's call it investment. Not only that, but at one point it was $1.82. So, you know, basically we're talking about 182x off of just if you had a penny. If you had $100 in there, you'd have $18,200. I mean, that's crazy, right? If you had $1,000 in, $182,000. It's a lot of capital that you would have picked up with this kind of move. Now, why am I saying that? Well, I got one that's going to be launching in 14 days. They've raised $2 million so far. It's TOKEN6900. And why are they doing that? Well, the purpose behind it is a nano cap meme coin that aims to replicate SPX6900's explosive success. Currently in pre-sale, the token's unique concept is that it promises nothing, no use cases, investor perks, or development targets. Community strength remains the key focus as the team offers a finite supply with 80% allocated to pre-listing investors. This token 6900 price prediction examines the project's potential in 25.6 all the way up to 2030. And it gives you an idea of where they think that it's going to go. Here's the snapshot. It's a non-utility meme coin operating in the ERC-20 standard, which means it's going to launch on Ethereum. It blends meme culture with early 2000s nostalgia, humor, and no-nonsense honesty. We've done this before when we did this before. I showed you the website. I showed you. This is what it looked like back in the old days. You may not have been there. You may not have seen it, but that's what the internet looked like way back when. The pre-sale launched a few days ago. It's already received 2.27 million from early buyers. The hard cap is just 5 million, which means that it's probably going to sell out very, very quickly like that, which it could reach in under 6 weeks based on its current trajectory. There's only 2 weeks left in this pre-sale, though. According to our analysis, T6900 may reach 21.66 cents in Q4. While this forecast reflects a 30% upside from the final pre-sale rate, it resembles a modest, fully diluted valuation of 190 million. Folks, when I talk to you about meme coins during an altcoin cycle, I tell you 150 to 250 million, that is the sweet spot for any kind of meme coin. So this makes perfect sense that 190 million market cap would be there. Some analysts expect several meme coin rallies in 2026, helping drive the T6900 price to $46 cents. Now, by the way, I'm one of those people who believe that we're about to have an altcoin season. We're going to have a big dip towards the end of the year, and then we're going to have an even bigger rally up through maybe May or June of 2026. I think we're going to double top like we did again, and I don't think that we've double topped yet. I don't think that we're on the second part of a double top. I think that we've not even reached the apex right now. I'm expecting Ethereum, over 6,000. I'm expecting Bitcoin somewhere in the neighborhood of 170,000 before a correction by the end of this year, and then a massive continuation move. So this is a huge opportunity. Now, despite facing resistance at the $1 level, TOKEN6900 could hit an all-time high of $1.18 in 2030. This price prediction values the meme coin at just over $1 billion. Here's the breakdown. 2025 with a potential high of 21 cents, 2026 with a potential high of 46 cents, and in 2030, a potential high of $1.18. At least it's recognizing that, yes, there is a bull run, and once the bull run is over right here, you're gonna have to wait for it to come back around for that to happen. But let's point out right now, the average price gonna clock in at 0.006 right here with a potential high of 21 cents right here, which is, I wanna say about a 100x, not quite a 100x, it's about a 30x from where we are right now. But here is where it gets interesting. At a 30x right there, what about something like this? This is well over 100. What about this one right here? This is well over 50x. So there's some real opportunity right here for you. And let's go back to the important part, and that is the website. Guys, this website, you've seen this. Maybe you haven't seen it because you're too young, but this is the way the internet used to look, and I'm not kidding with you. Like, this is, if you go to the Wayback Machine and you look online, this is what you would see back in the old days. It harkens back to these old memories for people, so I think you're going to find some people getting kind of excited about it. Now, how do you get in the pre-sale? Well, you come over here. It's right there, USD raised right there. You want to buy with crypto, buy with crypto. You want to buy with a card, click there, buy with card, and then connect your wallet and then get in on the pre-sale. Now, I've already bought in the pre-sale. I bought originally a couple days ago when the announcement was made because I had partnered with these guys previously. Now, the last time I gave you a joking thing because of 69, dude. This time I'm telling you that I think that since we're going into the bull run, some of these pre-sales are going to absolutely pop off. And if you don't believe me, Coinbase has even said publicly that they believe altcoin season is about to start. They've already allocated, they're ready for it. And those guys, they are market makers. They are people who do this for a living. They are the ones that predict these kind of things, and they're the ones that plan for it, and they're the ones that execute on those moments. So if you agree that Coinbase is saying that we're going to have an altcoin season, if you like 69, dude, our token 6900, then you get yourself a bag and hold on tight for dear life, because guess what? I think we're in for a nice little run. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And remember, this is not financial advice, but I'm always right.